Hey, what's up, beautiful people? My name is Camidoh, aka Mr. Grind on Stop, and I'm live on MX24 Face the Fans. I'm gonna be answering your questions. Usually, at my spare times, I love to just listen to music, watch documentaries on YouTube, watch videos, learn new stuff, or maybe just hang out with the gang and my friends and just say silly stuff. um Yeah, it's kind of like weird, but I'm really, really, really crushing on Angelique Joe. She's like a mother, figure. She inspires me a lot, musically, and I crush on her a lot. She has a lot of energy, you know, and I just love her enthusiasm in music. No, I'm not single. I've got family. Yeah. You get my attention by your character, I guess. Your character, if you've got like good behavior, and it's just I don't know. If you got love, yeah, love is the key for me. So if you got love, if love kind of like reflects in your character and your behavior, you get my special attention. Craziest thing a fan is when I think on my birthday a fan sent me an artwork, like a drawing of me. It was very like beautiful, which I really love to date. It's like craziest thing. My fans don't do. I don't think I would love to change it though. If I get the chance, I'll still maintain Camidoh because like I said, Camidoh like means blessings, and it has really reflected in my career. So yeah, I would love to maintain it like that. No change, no regrets. When I'm teasing somebody and I don't know when to stop. It's like I'm teasing over and over again, and I don't know when to stop, and I just keep going. That's crazy. Yeah, and also when I want something so bad and I don't get it, I just become so lazy and so annoying. I think that I will still be a producer, low key. You know, not necessarily being famous, but I think I will still be a producer, music producer, or probably I'll be into trade. Yeah, I'll be into trade, like marketing products or something like that. Yeah, I'll be. I grew up in Ho. I grew up in Accra, Ho and Accra, basically. Yeah, I grew up in Ho, Volta region, and Accra. Yep. My worst subject in junior high was pre-tech, because like it was just kind of like complicated for me, and it was my worst subject in junior high. In senior high, it was elective maths, and so I had to kind of like cancel it. I didn't even write it in my WASI. I canceled it. Yeah, it was elective maths, and what else? Yeah, I kind of like loved physics and chemistry. Chemistry was a little bit, but I loved it. My favorite teacher in high school was Mr. Jesse. He was a very funny guy, very very funny guy. Yeah, shout outs to Bishop Herman College. Shout outs to Mr. Jesse. Favorite video game, I think I love Need for Speed. I love need like driving games. I just love Need for Speed. I love to drive a lot, so yeah, that was like my favorite game. When I was a kid, when I was a baby growing up, I was very attached to people. Like once I noticed that you got love, I love to be a hang around, people a lot. And I was like, I think I was a very loving kid. Like I was a very, very loving child. Everybody loved me. I was very um I was a mommy's boy also, but then I was just normal. Like I was just loving. Like right now, still, you know, yeah. So with close friends, basically, we love to sit down and just like do legade. If you know what legade means, in Ewe, it's just gossiping. Basically, that's what it means. We just gossip and we laugh at people's situations and all that. It's just for the fun of it. Nothing so serious. But yeah, we go. It's funny, boy. Yeah, that's what we do. Embarrassing situation was when I took XYAT and came back from junior high school because it was a boarding house, like boarding school. And I came back home to my mom to say, yo, I was sick. My mom took me that same day to the hospital, took me to the pharmacy, got all the medicines, and put me back on a bus to go back to school on that same day. Like, I got back and everyone's like, yo, bro, like, what happened? And, like, everyone started teasing me. It was, like, kind of, like, very embarrassing. Yeah. Whoa, I've always dreamt of flying. Like I always dream a lot of times flying, levitating above the earth, like just flying. And I think that I would love that. And just being able to just, teleport anywhere at all, you know, harmless, like nothing can do me. Superman, is that Superman? Yeah. Yeah.
Daddy for my lover, welcome. Gucci shoe for my lover. MG Maria, oh Ria, oh yeah. Keeping you will bring me blessed.
Yep, what up, what up? My name is Camidoh, aka Mr. Grind on Stop, aka Mido upon the teen. And this is my Face the Fans MX24 session at home. Peace and love to everybody. Love.